In this part of the step-by-step tutorial on drawing Kendall Jenner's face, we have the lip tutorial. In the previous part, we had the nose tutorial, and in the earlier sections, we covered the eyes and eyebrows tutorials. As always, I start from the darkest part, which in this case is the line between the lips. Then I draw the overall shape of the lips with a brush. And now I blend the line that I drew with charcoal using a brush. And I use charcoal powder to darken the areas even more. And with a larger brush, I blend the darkness upwards. As always, I use larger brushes for bigger areas and smaller brushes for smaller areas. I darken the line beneath the lips again. If you look at the reference photo, this part of the lip is very dark. The sides of the lips are darker than the center to make the lips appear more prominent. I repeat these steps until I achieve the desired darkness. The smile line is always darker on one side than the other because one side is meant to appear more prominent while the other looks recessed. Make sure to look at the reference image every few seconds so you can accurately transfer all the details onto your drawing. To make the lips appear more prominent, the area beneath the lips must be darkened. However, the amount of darkness depends on the reference image you're working on it. I repeat the shading steps until I achieve the desired result. During the shading process, some areas like the line between the lips may disappear or become very faint, but that's okay. We darken the areas that have faded by using charcoal pencil again. I use a soft brush to blend the line. This part is also a bit darker. I create the highlights using the Technicl eraser. Then I use a Faber-Castel eraser to create highlights that are not too sharp. I add dots-like highlights with the Faber-Castel eraser to give the feeling of skin texture. Try not to leave the skin empty because it won't look natural at all.